Hey guys, welcome back to Dwood Reviews. I want to tell you today about one of my favorite wood finishes that I use in my woodwork. I love Minwax tung oil wood finish, or any tung oil wood finish for that matter. What I like about this most is that it makes the wood look very natural and rich. A lot of finishes have a sheen or a shine to them that's not natural looking or changes the color of them. This does not do that very much. As you can see here, I've got a piece of dark walnut that I've got some open end grain on. I've sanded this to 220 and am applying 2 coats of tung oil finish. All you have to do is apply it, leave it on for a couple minutes, and then wipe it off. Let it dry for about 24 hours and then apply a second coat. As you can see, this leaves a great finish, and this is the raw side and this is with the finished side on. It darkens and richens that grain and look of the walnut, or also any other wood that I've used it on, up and makes it look very professional. Here are some other examples of projects that I've done using Minwax tung oil finish. As you can see, all the walnut looks very rich and beautiful and gives that natural wood grain look. If you're interested in getting some for yourself, click in that link down in the description. For more review videos like this, hit that subscribe button. Doesn't cost you anything but helps me out a lot.